Hi, I'm the Marketing Mum and welcome to my channel. This is a channel for entrepreneurs, hardworking mums, students and people looking to make a few extra pennies on the side. Please go and hit that subscribe button and help out us small content creators. It really does help, and as a thank you, here is a picture of some awesome stationery. Everyone loves stationery.
Let's get started.
So if you're new to this channel, I am a mum of 3 and I'm currently studying Marketing Masters at Brighton University, as well as trying to get my events company back off the ground post-lockdown. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to earn money whilst you sleep, or affiliate marketing as it's otherwise known. Plus, with this method, you don't actually need any money to start. It's not like when you first set up a business and you need up that initial startup fund to buy stock or buy websites or all the initial startup costs that businesses come with. This you can actually start with no money whatsoever. Just as a disclaimer, this is just my own opinion as to all the things that I've learned so far. This is just me expressing my knowledge to you guys. I'm not an expert by any means, shape or form. Please do not take any of this as legal advice. Any views on this video are my own and all the smart people whose brains I've picked to get the best content just for you.
Skip to the end.
So if you're a control freak like I am, you can pick and choose what section of the video you would like to jump to. Hopefully the chapters will have come out at the bottom. I'll be doing a video on how to actually do the chapters as well for you. Or you can just come along for the full affiliate marketing ride.
So what is it?
So if you've clicked on this video, you might have a rough idea as to what affiliate marketing is, or maybe you've just heard the word or the term and you've heard it might be an easy way for you to earn a few extra pennies. Well, basically, I'm going to boil it down for you. You become the middle person between the person who produces the product and the person who buys it. And you get a little bit of commission for your effort. This should not be confused with dropshipping, whereby you do a lot more for the customer. There's a lot more customer service involved with dropshipping. This, you are merely the provider of information as to where to purchase a product. You don't have to deal with any of the shipping. You don't have to deal with any of the customer service. You just become the useful person who provides a link to where someone can actually buy the product that they didn't know they wanted in the first place, but you have just convinced them and made them realise the error of their ways, that they actually really need this product. You're basically just doing the marketing bit and providing links to people who might want to actually purchase a product. So you can keep it really small and just recommend the products that you think might actually be of use to your followers or people that actually might need them, and just take a little bit of commission on the way. Or you can go big and you can have a whole website doing reviews, doing lots of other things, have your sales funnels. The scale of the thing is really up to you, how much you want to put into this and how much you want to get out. Plus, you don't have to deal with customer service, which is always a big bonus. So how does it work?
How does it work?
How does it work?
For example, I've got this coffee cup. I've had this coffee cup for years, and as a mum, this is the best coffee cup I have ever found, because it's not metal, so it can go in the microwave and be heated up, because my coffee is forever going cold. But this cup still does keep it quite hot for quite a while, which I really need. It also doesn't leak. I can put it in the car, it doesn't spill too much. I mean, it's still got a hole in the top, it doesn't have the closing bit, but it doesn't spill enough for it to be a bother. It's just a really amazing coffee cup. Now, I've left the link in the description below where you can actually get this coffee cup. That is an affiliate link. So basically, if you go and buy this awesomely amazing coffee cup, I will get a cut, probably about 10%, which doesn't add up to much, but if like thousands of you decide that you want to go and purchase this coffee cup, then it starts to add up. Now, this link below looks like any other link you might get, but it actually tells Amazon that you have come from me. So they are going to pay me a tiny bit of commission every time somebody decides to click on that link and actually purchase this awesomely amazing coffee cup, which means I can save up for that coffee machine I've been dreaming about. Now, coffee cups are within my YouTube niche. Basically, if you are watching this video, you are possibly a little bit like me. You might like coffee, you might like staying awake in the morning. You might have kids yourself and you might actually need a coffee cup that is able to be put in the microwave and warmed up, because it is forever going cold. So basically, because it's within my niche, it's a good example of something I can recommend to you that I actually think you will benefit from and really enjoy. To be honest, a video about affiliate marketing, it might have been a better idea for me to recommend to you maybe a website where you can actually put your affiliate marketing to good use, or maybe even a new wallet where you can store all those extra pennies you'll be receiving from doing affiliate marketing. But whatever product you decide is a good idea for you to promote, it should be within your niche and it should be something you're actually passionate about. Because every product that you can buy online usually has an affiliate scheme. You've got Amazon, which is the biggest one, which basically covers every product you could possibly ever think of. But even some subscription services and courses have affiliate links that you would be able to find the most perfect product that you think would really benefit your viewers, your followers, your friends even, and you can promote it and get a little percentage on the side. So it's win-win. You basically get to promote a product that you believe in. Your followers or the people that actually purchase it get something that is actually really useful and that they will enjoy, and the seller gets to sell more products. So it's win-win on all counts. If you've been around YouTube for a while, you probably heard the word niche thrown about here and there, because basically that is what YouTube is. It's where you can find your people. It's where you can find people that you relate to, that you are interested in. Different niches that you would never even have thought of, like the fitness instructor who is also into eating fast food, or the dog lover who also loves to do triathlons. You've got content about basically everything, and everyone has their own specific niche that they're going down, that they're aiming towards, so that people know exactly what they're going to be watching and whether or not it's actually going to be enjoyable for them. The people that are all over the place generally don't get as many viewers because people just don't know where they stand and they don't know if the content is going to be of interest to them. So basically, if you want to do affiliate marketing either on YouTube or to your friends, it's better to find a niche, something that you are actually interested in and that you know the people that you are targeting are going to be interested in as well. Thereby you'll be actually providing value to your customers. They will be getting something that they actually want rather than something you're just pushing because you want to make some extra money. So niches in a nutshell are pretty much a specialisation, which I like to think of like a funnel. I think because I've been doing marketing studying for way too long now, everything turns into a nice funnel. But it does work. You've got the broader category at the top. So for example, if you are a company that does web design, that would be at the top. Your industry would come next. So if you are supplying to dropshippers that work through Shopify and purchase from AliExpress, for example, that will go there. Now you can go further and target fashion websites perhaps, and even further down and focus in on one location, but you have to be careful not to go too far down and too far niche, or else you won't have enough customers, but not too broad because you can't serve everyone. That is a really good lesson to learn. You cannot market to everyone. I think it's a great idea to find something that you love. After all, you are a unique person and you have your passions, the things that you absolutely adore, and this will come across when you're trying to sell things. Now you could try writing down the things that you love, the things that you're passionate about, the things that really interest you, and then you can go from there. See if you can maybe funnel it down. Really specify who your target audience are going to be. If they are going to be in a specific location, or if you are going to be selling online, is it going to be to your followers? What are they like? Who do they like? Where are they? People want the word of mouth recommendation, and that's where affiliate marketing really has its strengths. And that's where you come in. You need to recommend the products that you believe in, that you actually think your audience, your friends, or whoever you're promoting these things to are really going to value. So anyway, there are lots of different ways of doing affiliate marketing, not just through YouTube, although because you're on YouTube, I'm going to assume you might be a bit more familiar with all the different content creators and the fact that they are actively promoting a lot of products. Because it is a way of them earning extra money for providing all this free content for you. It's a way of actually paying the bills. And you might actually have helped a content creator out by using their link and purchasing the product. Did I mention the coffee cup? Now, if you're an action taker like me, you'll be able to follow these steps and actually start making money straight away. If you've got followers already, or you've got friends that you think you'll be able to promote these products to, brilliant, all the better. You'll be able to get moving a lot faster. If you don't have any followers whatsoever, you don't know how you're going to promote this, then bear with me. There are ways you can get around this. Sometimes it might cost you a little bit of extra cash just to get you sorted. Extra cash? Who actually has extra cash? Like, oh, I've got a spare £100, just take it. Anyway, if you actually have some spare extra cash for throwing up some adverts or your website and doing some reviews and things like that, you will be able to get started a lot quicker. But for now, we're going to go the free route. Now, for networks. You've obviously got good old Amazon up there in the network list, but just have a Google for affiliate networks. And aside from Amazon, you'll see a load of options you can choose from. Some might vary depending on what country you're in, so check that one out. We're going to look at Amazon first. So let's look at this site here. I'm on Amazon.com, so I'm just going to scroll down the page here and find the link. It is right under Make Money With Us. is become an affiliate. So we're going to click that link and it will eventually take us to their affiliate page. This is where you can put your country in at the top and then sign up. It'll take you through your details and how you want to be paid and all of that. It will ask you for a website. For this you can use your Facebook profile or social media page. If you don't actually have a website, it's all good for that section. Then you'll be able to search for products. When you found the one you like and want to use and promote, then you'll have a number of ways to grab a link. From just the text, which can be used in the comments section down below on YouTube videos and social media posts, to actual images of the products with the code. So you could put that on a website if you had one and make the product really stand out. Now, Amazon is great, but 10% is not going to get you very many pennies unless you have a massive following and billions of friends, which is not me. So you can have a look at the list Google threw up for you earlier, and we're just going to have a look at Clickbank here, which is one of the older affiliate programs and works as the middleman type company between affiliate marketers and the sellers. So the same with Amazon, you can join Clickbank and start making money straight away, and they can give a much higher commission percentage than Amazon does. So look for the products that would work for your marketing system, if you have one yet, how you're actually going to sell, or ones that resonate with you or that you think people that follow you or know you might like. Now you have to get your link out there to people that are going to want to buy this product. You need to be creating value for your potential buyers and personalising the recommendation for that product. There's loads of hints and tips you can use in order to create your sales funnels or your marketing strategies, ways to actually promote these products, reviews, how to select the right products, etc, etc, etc. I will do another video on that so this one doesn't end up hours and hours long.
Too late.
But for now, here are 2 affiliate networks that will be able to get you started straight away and get you used to it. Now, I really recommend starting with Amazon to really cut your teeth on affiliate marketing, because it's so much more basic, it's so much clearer, it's easier to get started, and although the commission rates are really low, once you get started and you get in the flow of things, you get to understand how to do it, how best to promote your products, then I recommend going to another affiliate network to actually increase the amount of percentage that you will be getting on products. So maybe try Clickbank or try another one that Google threw up on their list. So try one of those, but start with Amazon. It's a really good way of getting into the system and starting your affiliate marketing career. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section down below what worked for you, what didn't, and also send me a link to your best product that you would like to sell. If you haven't already, hit like and subscribe. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.